Hello friends, welcome back to Wings Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make potato bites. This is a very delicious snack recipe, very easy and a healthy snack. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan. Into this add a teaspoon of oil. When the oil is hot, add 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. Saute for a few seconds. Then to this add 1 teaspoon of red chilli flakes. Give it a quick mix. Now to this add 1 cup of water and half teaspoon of salt. Mix it well and allow it to come to a boil. Now it's nicely boiling, so go ahead and add 1 cup of rice flour and mix it well. Then off the flame and allow it to cool completely. It's been 10 minutes and it's completely cool now, so go ahead and add 2 potatoes boiled and mashed. Mix it well. Mix well with your hand to make sure all the ingredients are well spread. Now we have the proper chapati dough consistency. Pull out a small portion and make a smooth ball out of it. Then roll it to make potato bites shape. Now we have the proper shape. Likewise, make all the potato bites. Heat sufficient amount of oil in an iron pot. When the oil is nice and hot, add the potato bites directly to the oil. Add 10 to 15 bites at a time. Fry in medium flame for 2 minutes. Then flip it to the other side and again fry for 2 more minutes in medium flame. After 2 minutes, it's well fried and golden brown in color, so let's now remove it. Today I have taken 2 capsicum. Clean wash it and keep it ready. Cut them into strips like this. Likewise, cut both the capsicum and keep it ready. Now to a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of gram flour, half cup of rice flour, quarter teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of chili powder, quarter teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of hing or asafoetida. Give all the ingredients a good mix with a spoon. Then start to add little water at a time and mix it well. We are looking for a dripping consistency, so add water accordingly. Now we have the perfect consistency. Dip 1 piece of capsicum and coat it well in the batter. Drip the excess batter and add it directly to hot oil. Likewise, fry 8 to 10 pieces at a time. Fry in medium flame for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, flip it to the other side and again fry for 3 minutes in medium flame. Now both sides are nice, crispy and golden brown, so let's now remove it from the oil. Now a delicious capsicum bhaji or fritters is now ready. Serve it hot with some chutney and a cup of tea and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and a crispy snack recipe. So do try this capsicum bhaji recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.